Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. So the first way to check your battery health is by opening the start menu, then finding the CMD program. Once you find the CMD program, run it as administrator by clicking right here, then click yes, and in the following window enter the power CFG spacebar / battery report command, and then press enter, and in return you're gonna get a path selected like this. Then right click on it to copy, then open File Explorer and paste this path into the search field. Press enter and choose the browser to open this page if required, and on the following page you're gonna see the entire statistics about your battery usage, but basically the only thing we're looking at here is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. And basically by comparing these two numbers you can check your battery level health. The design capacity is the original capacity of your battery, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your battery. As you can see, the second number is slightly lower than the first one, simply because the battery has worn out a little. And basically, but still it's a pretty good amount of watts an hour. So if you for example feel uncomfortable using your laptop with your current battery state, and you see that this number is significantly lower than this one, then in such case the only solution for you would be to replace your battery with a new one. Now the second way to check your battery health is way more convenient, I'd say user-friendly. But you're gonna have to install an application, an official software from HP called HP Support Assistant. So to download and install it, you have to open your web browser, then go to the search engine and then search for the HP Support Assistant. Now find the official support.hp.com website that says HP Support Assistant, open it, and then download HP Support Assistant by clicking this button. Wait until this setup file is downloaded, then open it, click yes, then next, then read and accept the license agreement, and click next to confirm, then next again, and wait until this application is installed on your computer. Once you see this window, just click OK, and now open your start menu and go to all applications, find HP Support Assistant in here, run it. Then you're gonna have to sign up or log in to your HP account in order to use this app. I'm not sure if you can bypass it, but generally speaking it's quite simple. You can either log in with a password or a code sent to your email. Right here, once you open this application, go to the third tab on this on the left side of your window, and then find the check your battery feature and click launch next to it, and then just wait until this application checks your battery health, and you will get the result once the test is finished. Okay, and as you can see, it says that battery is charged and battery state is normal. It doesn't give any. If you want to see advanced information, you can go to you can click right here, and that's as you can see, you can find a lot of info about your battery. Here you can find the design capacity, the full charge capacity once again. And the battery health. This is basically the battery health level in percentage. So that's how you can check your battery health on your HP laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.